$300 in 10, 15, 20, 30 seconds. I'll call it 50 seconds. 50 seconds, making $300 in 50 seconds today, and I'm done. Talk about hitting it and quitting it. That was a beautiful, beautiful opportunity this morning. You'll see the trade live here in a second. Day trading live this morning, showing you my entry. I talk about the plan before this stock did exactly what we were looking for it to do. I posted about it online in the Facebook group. I posted about it on StockTwist. This was my plan, and it worked out beautifully. Yesterday was a bit depressing. Today, I'm really, really happy. Not super happy, but I'm happy that I'm green, that I made $300 in a matter of seconds, and I could have made so much more today, but I didn't. In hindsight's 2020, it is kind of what it is. You'll see the trade. No more talking, no more rambling. Let's get into it, the live action. Taking a look here at SMIT this morning, you can see pre-market high so far is 370 on the daily chart. We got some previous resistance back here. 350 area was previous resistance, and that 447 area is the next resistance. It's gapping up this morning. Got kind of a double top there at that 447 area. So I'm going to be keeping an eye on this thing. I like to see if it pulls back down here to the 350. I might jump in there at 350 right before the bell if this can push. So that's what we're looking for. I want to see this thing pull back down there at 350 area, show support at that 350, and then look to jump in at that point. So showing some support there at the 350s. Let's see if this can push. There's a push above the pre-market high there at 370. Beautiful. Take a profit there at 378. Oh my baby Jesus. I thought that was the open candle. That wasn't the open candle. This was the open candle. Oh, I got tricked there. Still, making $300 this morning. You know me, I'm done for the day, baby. $300. I can't complain about that. Wow. I really screwed up there. Talk about screwing up. Talk about being a total idiot today. So I thought that this was the first 1 minute candle. I wasn't paying attention. I was actually posting on Facebook. Oh, why was I posting on Facebook? That was bad. So I was over here on Facebook, posted up in the Facebook group about SMIT there, and just really wasn't paying attention. But I should have been paying attention. What was I thinking? What a bad idea to not pay attention right there. $300, Patrick. I made $300 in less than a minute this morning. And the crazy part is, the crazy part here is that I was trying to get filled here multiple times, trying to get filled there. I had 3 orders out there, and you can see I only got filled like half on all of those. I was getting 300, 200, 200. I was trying to buy 3,000 shares there at the 360 area. So like I said, I was looking for that 350 area to turn into support. You know, that's what I was looking for. And that 350 area had a nice support bounce. So look at this candle, just pushed right up there. We talked about this entire plan, you know, just before it all happened. And we had that pullback to 350. We had that pullback to 350. It bounced off the 350 very nicely. That is a beautiful support bounce right there. This candle just bouncing right back up there. So I was buying, tried to buy 1,000 shares at 361, tried to buy 1,000 shares there at 362, tried to buy 1,000 shares there at 363. I was trying to get 3,000 shares there for this push up to that $4 area. And then I just wasn't paying attention, and I thought that this was the first 1 minute candle. Oh, that's terrible. It's really funny, Patrick. Really. But I was basically looking at this 1 minute candle and seeing that it was slowing down there at 380 area, and I was like, oh, that's not good. So I ended up just taking that profit. Well, then you can see once the market actually opened there. Look at that from it actually pulled back a little bit, 365 up there to 410. So that's what I was looking for. This was the move that I was looking for there. And you can see it's kind of pulling back now, having some trouble at that $4 area. So I'm going to stay away from it. I'm going to go on the boat, actually. I know I keep saying I'm going on the boat every day, but the boat life, baby. I'm all about that boat life these days. I think I have a rule also. If I make $300 that easy, that quickly, and it's just like it happens that simply, if it happens that simply, I'm just kind of done for the day. I'm just going to walk away there. $300 in the bank. It's so, because the crazy part here is, imagine if I would have gotten filled, you know, 3,000 or 4,000 shares there at the 360 area like I wanted. If I would have gotten filled there, I don't want to think about it. But still, SMIT doing exactly what we were looking at it to do. One of the reasons One of the reasons I really liked SMIT here as a setup compared to some other stocks that we've seen lately is because, look at this, move pre-market. So we jumped up here 370, we pulled back, but really it was low volume. There wasn't a massive amount of volume this morning, and it really didn't make like 100 or, you know, it wasn't already up like 100, 200% pre-market. So for me, I'm looking at it like, hey, I'm thinking the best case scenario, we're going to get a bounce here that people are going to buy. If this thing breaks above that pre-market high, if it breaks above pre-market high there, 370, we're going to get all of the momentum day traders, all the chat rooms, everybody pumping this stock up, and that's exactly what we got there. You can see that first 1 minute candle got 700,000 shares traded. In the pre-market, it only traded like 100,000 shares. So right there at open, boom, 700,000 shares traded, and you got that big, massive move. And I feel bad for everybody who bought there right above $4 because, well, you can see it's pulling down there pretty hard. So I'm happy that I was able to identify that opportunity, jump in there, take the profit, and then now I'm walking away. So $300 in less than, I don't know, when did I get filled here? 9:29.10, and take a profit there at 9:29.50. So I'll say in less than a minute. Taking profit in less than a minute there, and $300. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. You can, if you think about it, that's not bad. It's not bad. Not bad at all. But oh, that would have been just a beautiful winner. Could you imagine? Could you imagine getting that 3,000 shares there like I wanted and getting that push even up there to 370 would have been nice. Would have been real nice there. And I only had 1,700 shares, which was like half of my actual planned size. So hindsight is always 20/20, obviously. And you can sit here and look at this and say, oh, yeah, blah, 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 I could do this and do that. There it is, back up 4, push it up 4. Let's see if it's going to go here. I'm going to stay away from it. I'm going to go out in the boat and just have a nice, pleasant day. Nice, pleasant day, baby. Nice and pleasant. I'm happy. You can see I'm happy. After yesterday's video showing my broker statement, it was depressing. It was so depressing. But here, making $300 in less than 1 minute. $300 in 1 minute. Could you imagine? Oh, gosh, if I would have gotten the full fill there at 360. What would have happened, though? If I would have gotten 3,000 or 4,000 shares there at 360, this stock would have plummeted to $3, and I would have blown up my count, probably. That would have been my luck today. But that would have, it would have been just so beautiful. So beautiful. So there it is. I'm going to walk away. I'll talk to you guys later on. Big thanks to everybody out there who's supported the channel, everyone who's helped me, commented, and left motivating comments saying that they believe in me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys later on.